Amity University, Haryana, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all our distinguished dignitaries, guests of honor, corporate leaders, industry representatives, delegates, invited guests, representatives from different universities, our illustrious alumni, faculty members, and students to this two-day Global HR Congress 2018. Amity University, Haryana is committed to further the cause of higher education in India, and in keeping with the magnificent vision of our Honorable Founder President Dr. Ashok Chauhan and our charismatic leader Honorable Chancellor Dr. Aseem Chauhan, we endeavour to benchmark only against the best institutions around the world. We are passionate about grooming leaders who are not only thorough professionals but also good human beings with values and sanskars. At Amity, emphasis is given on not only making our students academically brilliant, but true leaders and team players, thus preparing them for an everlasting journey of wisdom and knowledge. We at Amity University, Haryana are driven by the ideals of internationalization, industry integration, and innovation. The university is avowedly committed to the cause of achieving excellence in the field of education and industry-academia collaboration. Amity University, Haryana is India's first LEED Platinum certified educational campus. It is also a cradle of academic collaborations and a gateway to India's biggest industry academia networks.
Frequently changing business landscapes is driving modern human resource management toward a number of challenges, and most of challenges are expected to arise in the future. To address these challenges, industry professionals need to work more strategically by adding value to key operational functions for achieving highest organizational productivity and efficiency. This is possible by developing modern organizations as incubators of learning and growth. As the paradigms of business change, achieving excellence becomes not only a daunting task, but also one which requires the revitalization of many aspects of human behavior.
Aristotle, the famous Greek philosopher, once said, "Excellence is an art won by training and habituation. We do not act rightly because we have virtue or excellence, but we rather have those because we have acted rightly. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, therefore, is not an act but a habit." The Global HR Congress 2018 aims to recognize and celebrate excellence in all fields of learning. It is also our proud privilege to share with the audience that our distinguished guests and dignitaries present here today are epitomes of excellence in their respective fields. We are immensely honored to have so many distinguished industry leaders representing a diverse cross-section of business, policy making, academia, and leadership. We would also like to acknowledge the support provided by our knowledge partners, Medanta Medicity, Green Building Certification Institute, Indian Association of Clinical Psychologists, Somatic Inkblot Series, Aishar Polaris India, Select City Infrastructure Limited, Miles Education Institute of Management Accountants, Shreya Hospitality, CBS Publishers, and Amod Group. With an aim to establish a multidisciplinary approach to organizational excellence, it gives me immense pleasure to share with you all that the Global HR Congress will be organized annually at Amity University, Haryana.
To augur the auspicious beginning of the Global HR Congress, we now present to you Ganesh Vandana, which is being performed by an extremely talented student of our university, Vandana Vijay.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुदैवसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय ग्रन्थमत्ताय गुरुजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Thank you, Vandana. As is the customary practice at Amity University of offering prayers to Ma Saraswati on all auspicious occasions, let us begin this event with the lamp lighting ceremony. For this, may I request all the dignitaries seated on the dais to kindly light the Lornish lamp.
जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणों प्रणमामः नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागेश्वरी नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागेश्वरी शरणं ते गच्छामः जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणों प्रणमामः त्वमसि शरण्या त्रिभुवनधन्या सुरमुनिवन्दित चरणा नवरस मधुरा कविता मुखरा नवरस मधुरा कविता मुखरा स्मित रुचि रुचिरा भरना जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणों प्रणमामः आसीना भव मानस हंसे कुंद तुहिन शशि धवले आसीना भव मानस हंसे कुंद तुहिन शशि धवले हर जडतां कुरु बोधि विकासं सित पंकज तनु विमले जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणों प्रणमामः
Before we proceed further, we would like to welcome our esteemed guests who have been extremely kind to grace this occasion with their presence. May I request our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Ma'am to kindly welcome His Excellency Ambassador Major General Chris Sunday Eze with a sapling. May I also request Ma'am to kindly welcome Mr. Pankaj Dubey. May I now request Professor Dr. Vikas Madhukar to kindly welcome Professor B.L. Dubey. also request you, sir, to kindly welcome Mr. Raj Nehru. May I now request Professor Dr. Bhavna Adhikari to kindly welcome Mr. Yogeshwar Sharma. May I request Major General P.K. Sharma to kindly welcome Mr. Chad Mason. May I request Major General Mahavir Singh to kindly welcome Dr. Brahmdeep Sindhu. Can we have a huge round of applause for all our distinguished and illustrious guests? Amongst us in this congregation, we have our very distinguished members of the Organizing Committee of Global HR Congress 2018, headed by Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Padmakali Banerjee as the chairperson, the conference directors, Professor Dr. Vikas Madhukar, Professor Dr. Bhavna Adhikari, Major General Dr. Mahavir Singh, Major General P.K. Sharma, and Dr. Rishi Pal. We also have amongst us all the organizing secretaries of the Congress, Registrar AUH, Mr. S.N. Gupta, Dean of Students' Welfare, Major General Gurpal Singh Bal, and all the distinguished members of the faculty and staff who have put in their best efforts to organize this event. May I request Professor Dr. Padmakali Banerjee to kindly welcome Mr. P. Gopal Krishnan with a sapling.
Now we shall present you all a video to give you a glimpse into the world of Amity.
Amity University is a global, not-for-profit global education group in which 150,000